Welcome to the IC Engine Lab. Today we are going to perform the second experiment on petrol engine. The objective of this experiment is to calculate the volumetric efficiency of petrol engine and to determine the relationship between the volumetric efficiency and different engine parameters. Here is the experimental setup of small engine test set. This part is instrument frame and this is test engine with dynamometer. So let's start the experiment. First of all, check all the accessories or sensors are connected to their respective modules. Then make sure that enough fuel is available in the fuel tank. Then open the fuel gauge valve, which allows the petrol to flow through this fuel pipe and enter the engine cylinder. Then switch on all the electrical supplies and water supplies connected to this apparatus. Then to start the engine, first pull this starter and allow the engine to run smoothly for some time. In the meantime, hold this accelerator or engine rack. This part is used to increase or decrease the engine speed. Then you have to note the value of fuel consumed and fuel drain time. For this purpose, this module is used. This module is called volumetric fuel gauge. Here you can see that a fuel pipette is available, which consists of two flasks. The volume of first flask is 8 ml and the second flask is 16 ml. So the total volume of this fuel pipette is 24 ml. Now if you want to consume 8 ml fuel, start your timer when the fuel level is here and stop the timer when the fuel level is here. This means that 8 ml fuel is consumed and the obtained time on the stopwatch is the fuel drain time. In this time, you have to note the readings. So in this experiment, you have to note airbox differential pressure and ambient air temperature and engine speed. From this first module, you can note the temperatures of T1 and delta P1. Here T1 is the ambient air temperature and delta P1 represents the airbox differential pressure. In the second module, you can see that from here, you can determine the reading of engine speed. Then repeat this procedure for 5 times by increase the speed from this part. You can also increase the engine speed by adjusting the load by using control valve. Now you have noted all the required readings. So you have to calculate the volumetric efficiency of petrol engine.